Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to create custom GPTs for specific tasks. Creating a custom GPT for specific tasks involves defining its behavior in the Configure tab and uploading reference materials. You do not need coding skills to build one. So go to ChatGPT and click Explore or More on the side panel on your left. Inside, you're gonna see images, library, the research, apps. Press apps. Inside, we're gonna press GPTs. This will take you to create or choose an already handpicked GPTs or handpicked plugins, whatever you want to call them, right? And if we went here to create a ChatGPT, or excuse me, create a GPT, you need to get ChatGPT Plus to create and share your own GPTs. So if you have ChatGPT Plus, go ahead and hit create, fill in the name and description to clearly state its purpose. The AI will walk you through, right? They will ask you questions and ask specific step-by-step instructions. For example, step 1, do X. Step 2, do Y. And upload reference files under knowledge, like brand guidelines or templates. Lastly, test it in the preview panel and save. And basically, that's it. That's how you create your own GPT without any special coding skills. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.